Hey there, ice cream friends. Evan with Ice Cream Equipment Specialist. Today we're just showing some of the Bravo advantages. One of the advantages I really like is our waterline hose. Some manufacturers have it where you actually are pulling the hose out of the machine, and what happens in time is that little braided steel hose, the rubber, can leak and break, and it's really hard to replace it, and it's hard to actually see the connection point in case there is a leak. On ours, it just simply comes out of the side, and it's nice right here, and so you're not pulling it in and out of extracting out of the machine. That wear really just causes it to have issues. And it's right here nice and handy for rinsing out the top side of the heat treatment or in the batch. But the real advantage here that no other brand has, as a machine nerd, I just think this is so cool. You actually can take this here and put this into this fitting, right, with an O-ring, and then you can push the jet of water, and what happens is that actually sends water directly into the rear of the machine where the coupling, or what we call like the auger, meets the drive shaft or the beater motor, right? There's an O-ring right there, and then that O-ring stops any ice cream from going inside the machine or any bacteria from coming in the mix. But it's not a true seal because of course it has to go there. So in time, there's always maybe a little few drops of ice cream base or mix. Actually, water will go in and flush that out and then go into a pan on the bottom of the machine, which means that it's great for sanitation, but also just for not having little bits of dairy in the back of the machine in time. So it helps with the longevity of the seal, and it helps with making sure that you are having a cleaner machine and a cleaner product. So one of the other Bravo advantages that no other brand has, that's because Bravo listens to their customers over 50 years of business, and they understand and get feedback from the end users, not just engineers or designers. And that's one of the great parts about Bravo, is they listen and they understand the client, and they understand that the client has needs. From something as simple as just having a hose to clean out your machine, to having it be able to connect and help with the sanitation, that is just a great example of why Bravo is the best machine on the market, from engineering, ease of use, simplicity, and value.